Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Accord Key Fob is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential accessories for any Honda owner, seamlessly connecting you to your vehicle with a simple press, offering convenience and security right at your fingertips, and ensuring you're always in control, whether you're locking up after a long day or starting your engine from afar on a chilly morning, making daily interactions with your car effortlessly smooth and modern. Number 5. Honda Key Fob Shell Replacement. Is your Honda Key Fob looking a bit rough, cracked, or damaged? Don't replace the whole remote when only the shell is the problem. This replacement shell offers a simple and affordable solution. This product is a replacement shell case only. It does not include any internal electronics, circuit board, or battery. You will need to transfer these components from your original remote. Installation is incredibly easy and requires no cutting or locksmith services. Simply move your existing key blade and internal components into this new shell. It's a quick and straightforward DIY process. Perfect for refreshing the appearance and usability of your remote. It allows you to keep your original working internals while giving your key fob a brand new look. Say goodbye to worn-out buttons and cases. If your original key fob contains a transponder chip, it is crucial to transfer it to the new shell. Without this chip, your vehicle may not start. Some users secure it with a small amount of glue. This shell fits select Honda models like Accord, Civic EX, Pilot, and CR-V. Please compare your original remote's shape, button layout, and part numbers with the product images to ensure compatibility before purchasing. What we like. This is a shell-only replacement, perfect for refreshing your worn-out remote without replacing the entire system. If your original electronics are still working but the casing is damaged, this offers an easy, no-cutting DIY solution. Choose this if you want a cost-effective way to restore your key fob's look and feel while keeping your original working internals. What people say. The remote functions for locking and unlocking the car are consistently responsive. The key fob's design features a robust exterior, ensuring longevity. Number 4. USARemote Honda Accord Key Fob OUCG8D 380HA. Looking for a reliable replacement for your Honda Key Fob? This USARemote keyless entry remote is designed to seamlessly integrate with your vehicle, bringing back convenience and security. Specifically engineered for 2003 to 2007 Honda Accord passenger cars, it ensures a perfect fit and function. You can trust it to work just like your original. Additionally, this versatile remote is compatible with the 2010 Honda Element. It's a great solution if you need a new or spare key for this model. It directly replaces part number 35111 SHJ 305 and matches FCC ID OUCG8D 380HA. This ensures proper communication with your car's security system. For optimal performance, professional programming is required for the remote functions. The key itself needs to be programmed by a dealer or locksmith. Regain the convenience of keyless entry and remote locking for your vehicle. This high-quality replacement ensures reliable operation every time you use it. What we like. This product is a complete keyless entry remote, ready to replace your lost or completely non-functional fob. It requires professional programming, ensuring secure and reliable integration with your vehicle's system. If you own a 2003 to 2007 Honda Accord and need a brand new, fully functional remote, this is a solid choice. What people say. No positive review details available from the provided source. No positive review details available from the provided source. Number 3. KeylessOption Honda Accord Element 4-button Key Fob. Need a new key fob for your Honda? This premium replacement is designed specifically for certain Honda Accord and Element models from 2003 to 2010. It ensures reliable access to your vehicle. Due to advanced security protocols, this remote requires professional programming. A certified locksmith or dealership has the necessary diagnostic equipment to set it up safely. Professional programming ensures only authorized users can access your vehicle. This prevents unauthorized use or tampering, giving you peace of mind. This fob is a premium replacement, matching original OEM specifications for enhanced durability. It offers superior range and responsiveness, seamlessly integrating with your car's security system. It features 4 convenient buttons for added security and ease of use. You can lock, unlock, open the trunk, and even trigger a panic alarm in emergencies. We stand by the quality of our FCC ID registered product. It comes with a 90-day warranty, ensuring a hassle-free replacement if any defects or issues arise. What we like. This option provides a convenient 2-pack, giving you a spare or one for another driver. It's a premium replacement designed for enhanced durability and seamless integration with specific Honda models. If you need 2 reliable, high-quality remotes for your 2003 to 2007 Accord or 2010 Element and prefer professional programming, this pack offers great value. What people say. Number 2. USA-made Honda Key Fob Shell with Bottle Opener. Protect your Honda Key Fob with this superior replacement shell. Crafted from premium, crack-resistant material, it shields it from daily wear and tear for extended performance. Expertly designed for a secure, seamless fit. It ensures full functionality, never interfering with your keyless entry or ignition. Proudly manufactured in the USA, this shell offers unparalleled durability. It outperforms standard OEM options with superior longevity and protection. Installation is quick and easy. It even includes a hex key, so you can simply swap out your old shell for this sturdy, long-lasting alternative in minutes. Enjoy extra convenience with its innovatively integrated stainless steel bottle opener. This feature adds utility while maintaining its sleek design and ease of use. Invest in a durable, multifunctional upgrade for your Honda Key. It provides superior protection and added convenience, all in one sleek package. What we like. This shell stands out with its integrated bottle opener, adding a unique utility to your everyday carry. Crafted from crack-resistant, USA-made material, it offers superior durability and protection for your key fob's internals. If you appreciate innovative features, top-tier quality, and want a robust shell that can handle more than just car access, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 1. USARemote 4-button key fob for Honda Accord, 2008 to 2012. Introducing a reliable replacement for your Honda Accord. This 4-button remote car key fob insert is designed for models from 2008 to 2012. It comes as a complete 4-button key fob. This includes the insert, all necessary electronics, and a pre-installed battery. This replacement matches part numbers KR55WK49308 and 35118TA0A00. Ensure these numbers align with your original for perfect compatibility. Professional programming is required to activate it. The package includes a helpful card to locate a local locksmith for assistance with activation. We recommend using the Amazon Confirmed Fit tool. This ensures it is compatible with your specific vehicle year and model, preventing incorrect purchases. This remote is a high-quality aftermarket replacement. It offers a cost-effective solution without compromising functionality. What we like. This is a complete key fob, including all electronics and battery, ready to be programmed. It's specifically designed for newer Honda Accord models from 2008 to 2012, ensuring perfect compatibility. If you drive a later model Accord and need a full replacement remote that requires professional setup, this provides a comprehensive solution. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.